guys, welcome to my first ever video where I pretend to be productive. I'm ashamed to call this monstrosity my desk. So obviously the first way to begin something productive is by cleaning. This is me pretending I'm cleaning where I'm just putting papers away. But I did actually clean my desk, which will probably come in my next video.
If I make it.
I decided to kind of put everything in folders away so it will be easier to organize. And now all look, we're scrubbing, scrub. I love scrubbing surfaces, so satisfying. This is the end result. It's not that tidy, it's kind of messy, but I did clean it more. Now, it's fine for now though.
It's fine guys.
Writing a to-do list about what I need to get done today. And the irony of looking back on this is that I didn't even get half of this done, which is off-putting on my part, I know, but like I said, it's only semi-productive. So I did history for GCSE, and in class we were so stressed for time. We finished all the content 1 week before our actual exam, and then we've been told to make notes at home while learning the content in class. So that's kind of what I'm doing right now. I do like it, to be honest. I love history GCSE, but yeah, this video is way longer than it needs to be. This is notes. It's really aesthetic. I love it so much. I made a cheese sandwich for my lunch tomorrow, and then I wrote a to-do list about what I need to get done for tomorrow. And yeah, that's it. Goodbye.